certain concerns, and a request was then made that the head of CMEX prison come to court to address those issues. He's indeed at court, and for the past couple of minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, we've been having a meeting with him, as well as the head of prison, and we're about to reach consensus as to the way forward. We feel that maybe this is something we can resolve amongst ourselves and the head of CMEX prison and the area commissioner, Mr. Koza. I think if the court were to be so indulgent as to afford us maybe another 10 minutes or so, we should be able to resolve those issues and then to resume the proceedings.
Okay, so I must give you 10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes.
I'll give you 15.
Ifoni egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ocingweni imizuzwana eyisikhombisa ithawa yasetshenziswa yi-Don Park.
Thereafter, at 11:31:49 seconds, the number ending 8169 called the number ending 7007, and that call lasted 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Dawn Park Tower.
Joy ngesikhathi sika 11:31:41 inamba egcina ngo-8169 yafonela ifoni inamba egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana emithathu sasetshenziswa yona i-Don Park itower.
Thereafter, at 11:32:17 seconds, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 7007, which lasted 4 seconds, and Dawn Park was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa ngo-11:32:17 isikhathi inamba egcina ngo-8169 yafonela inamba egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana emine sasetshenziswa yona itower yaseDon Park.
At 11:32:34 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, and that call lasted 74 seconds. Dawn Park was picked up as the tower.
Isikhathi 11:32:34 seconds inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela enambeni 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa nane sasetshenziswa yona i-Don Park itower.
The last transaction on this page is at 11:34:44 seconds. It was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number 7007, lasted 8 seconds, and Dawn Park was picked up as the tower again.
Njengoba ucingo lokugcina lana lalu ngesikhathi sika 11:34:44 seconds lapho ke inamba egcina ngo8169 ya shayela ucingo kule number ka 700 egcina ngo7007 bahlala imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili kusasetshenziswa yona iDon Park iTower.
And then on page 42, the last two calls, or the first two calls.
On page 42, the first two entries, one is at 11:35:22 seconds, was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 7007, which lasted 4 seconds, and Dawn Park was picked up.
So ke lapha ngesikhathi 11:35:22 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yafonela inamba egcina ngo7007 bahlala imizuzwana emine kusetshenziswa iDon Park.
Thereafter, at 11:35:44 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 14 seconds from the number ending 7007, and Dawn Park was picked up as the tower.
So ngesikhathi 11:35:44 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela oluvela kule number egcina ngo7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nane kusasetshenziswa yona iTower yaseDon Park.
Okay, you also place the call at 1408 on the same page.
At 14:08:58 seconds, the number ending 8169 made a call to the number ending 7007, which lasted 80 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Ngoza.
Which tower?
Ngoza.
So ke lapha ngesikhathi 14:08:58 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba e7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana emashumi ayisishiyagalombili iTower esetshenziswa kuthiwa ke lapho ke ingoza.
And then the call at 15:54.
At 15:54:49 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 70 seconds, and Ngoza was picked up as the tower again.
So ngesikhathi 15:54:47 inamba egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number is7 egcina ngo7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa kusasetshenziswa yona le tower ebizwa ngokuthi ingoza.
And then lastly on that page at 12:43,
12:43.
yes,
At that time, 12:43:07 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 54 seconds, and Spruitview was picked up as the tower.
So ngesikhathi 12:43:07 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007 and base behlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi ayisihlanu nane iTower ke sisetshenziswa lapha iSpruitview.
thank you. Now let's turn our focus to the number ending with 3517. This is the number that the accused number 5 has admitted before this court to be his number. Can you please the information appearing on page 9? The call is from 2011.
Page 9, 2011, 31 seconds.
Sorry, before we commence, what is the date, Mrs. Band?
24 October 2014. My apologies for that. 24 October 2014, page 9.
At 2011, 31 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That lasted 49 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Hout Street.
Ngomhla 24 October 2014, isikhathi kwaku 2011-31, le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517. Bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye. Ithawa esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Hout Street.
Still on page 9, 25 October 2014 at 9:48.
Twenty-fourth October at 9:48.
25.
25. I don't have a 9:48. I have a
Oh, it's
8:55.
0709. My apologies. 070948.
25th October, 0709, 48 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517, which lasted 23 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Moy Street.
Ngomhla 25 enyangeni ka-October 2014, isikhathi kwaku-70948, inamba egcina ngo-8149 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517. Bahlala ke emizuzwana yamashumi amabili nantathu. Ithawa esetshenziswa ku-Moy Street.
And then on page 11, 26 October 2014 at around 14:20.
Twenty-sixth October, 14:31:59. Is that the time?
October 14:20, 21.
14:20. Okay, my apologies. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That call lasted 11 seconds, and the tower that was picked up there was Fosloris.
Ngomhla 26 October 2014, isikhathi sika-14:20, le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nanye. Ithawa esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Fosloris.
Then on page 12, the same exhibit, 27 October 2014, around 18:32.
At 18:32:19 seconds, the number 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517, lasted 42 seconds, and Belgravia was the tower that was picked up.
Ngomhla 27 October 2014, isikhathi kwaku-18:32:19 seconds, number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela le number egcina ngo-3517. Bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi amane nambili. Ithawa esetshenziswa kwaku-Belgravia.
Okay. Then on page 16, the same exhibit, 31 October 2014 at 20:14.
20:14 35 seconds, 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. It lasted 23 seconds, and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
Ngomhla 31 ku-October 2014, inamba egcina ngo-8169 ngesikhathi ka-2014 35 seconds yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517 isikhathi kabahlala besocingweni kwaku-imizuzu yama-23 ithawa esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Belgravia.
And the next call immediately after that one?
Thereafter, at 20:16 39 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. It lasted 20 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
So isikhathi ke soku-2016 39 le namba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517 wahlala imizuzwana yama-20 kusetshenziswa yona ithawa yase-Belgravia.
On page 17, at around 12:31, First of November.
12:31 54 seconds on the 1st of November, the number ending 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517. It lasted 61 seconds, and Moy Street was picked up as the tower.
So ke ngomhla 1 November ngesikhathi ku-12:31 inamba ke egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela le namba egcina ngo-3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyama-61 lapho okusetshenziswa ithawa ke i-Moy Street.
On page 18, the 2nd of November 2014, around 18:52.
On the 2nd of November, the number 8169 at 18:52 18 seconds made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517. It lasted 16 seconds, and Fossler Square was picked up as the tower.
Ngomhla 2 kuNovember 2014 isikhathi ngo-18:52 and 18 seconds inamba egcina ngo-8169 iyashaya ucingo ishayela le namba egcina ngo-3517 bahlala imizuzwana eyishumi-6 ithawa esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Fossler Square.
Page 19, the 3rd of November 2014, around 7:53.
At 7:53:01 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. It lasted 125 seconds, and Moy Street was picked up as the tower.
Ngomhla 3 kuNovember 2014 isikhathi kwaku-07:53:01 second le namba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-125 ithawa ke esetshenziswa kwaku-Moy Street.
And on page 22, the 6th of November 2014, around 09:02.
(09:02 59 seconds). Number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That call lasted 35 seconds, and Moy Street was the tower picked up.
Ngomhla 6 November isikhathi kwaku-09:02:59 inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-3517 bahlala-ke imizuzwana ama-35 kusetshenziswa le tower imoy street.
And then on the 6th of November 2014, around 23, that's on page 23.
At 22:23:42 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That call lasted 3 seconds and Rudekop was picked up as the tower.
Isikhathi 22:23:42 seconds, number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517 bahlale-ke imizuzwana emithathu kuphela i-tower esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Rudekop.
Still on page 22. On the 7th of November 2014, around 6:27:09.
6:27:09, 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. The call lasted 58 seconds and the tower picked up was Georgetown.
Ngomhla 7 November, isikhathi kwaku-6:27:09, inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyama-58. I-tower esetshenziswa lapho kwakuyi-Georgetown.
Still on page 23 at 7 November 2014 at 6:44.
6:44:29 seconds, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169. It lasted 15 seconds and it was made to the number ending 3517. And Goud Street was picked up there.
Ngesikhathi-ke sika-6:44:29 number egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela le number egcina ngo-3517 bahlala-ke imizuzwana e-15 i-tower esetshenziswa kuyi-Holt Street.
On page 24, 7 November 2014 at 20:33.
20:33:15 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. The call lasted 53 seconds and the tower picked up there was Goud Street.
Njengoba-ke ngomhla 7 kuNovember isikhathi 20:33:15 seconds, number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517 bahlala-ke imizuzwana yama-53 i-tower-ke esetshenziswa kuyi-Holt Street.
Still on page 24, 20:57:50 on the 7th of November 2014.
That was an outgoing call made from 8169 to 3517, lasted 42 seconds, and Goud Street was still the tower picked up.
Ngesikhathi sika-20:57:50 seconds, inumber 8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo-3517 bahlala imizuzwana yama-42 i-tower esetshenziswa kwakuseyona i-Holt Street.
November 20:57:50.
I've just read that out.
21:25.
21:25:30 seconds was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number 35 3517. It lasted 16 seconds. And the tower picked up there was still Goud Street.
Ngesikhathi ka 21:25 30 seconds number egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela nenumber egcina ngo-3517 lapho bahlala imzuzu eyishumi nesithupha itower eyayisetshenziswa Goud Street.
Page 25, 8 November 2014, 21:12.
21:12:22 seconds. There was an outgoing SMS from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 3517. Goud Street was picked up.
So ngomhla ka-8 kuNovember 2014 isikhathi kwa-21:12 and 25 seconds le number u-8169 yathumela umlayezo we-SMS ithumela le number egcina ngo-3517 kusetshenziswa yona itower u-Goud Street.
8 November 2014, 21:14, still on page 25.
21:14:23 seconds. An SMS was received. There is no other party number, so we cannot see who sent that SMS. The tower picked up there is still Goud Street.
Ngo-21:14:23 kukhona i-SMS eyangena ayisho ukuthi le SMS ivela kuyiphi inumber kodwa ke itower esetshenziswa ku-Goud Street.
Sorry, when you say there was no other number, but you say an SMS was sent,
Yes.
from which device was it sent?
Our data does not indicate which number sent the SMS.
Just indicates that it was sent.
Sent to the number ending 8169.
Yeah, that's different. If you say it was sent to the number, are you saying that? Ending 8169.
I'm saying 8169 received an SMS.
Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, now I hear you.
Ma'am, are we on 8 November 2014 at 21:14:43 seconds?
At 21:14:43 seconds,
Yes.
an SMS was sent by 8169 to the number ending 3517.
Yes.
And Goud Street was picked up again.
Isikhathi kwa-21:14:43 seconds inumber ke u-8169 yathumela umlayezo we-SMS ithumela le number egcina ngo-3517 itower esetshenziswa u-Goud Street.
On page 28, 13 November 2014, 0811.
November at 08:11:45 seconds. The number ending 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517. That lasted 36 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Moy Street.
Ngomhla ka-13 November 2014 isikhathi kwa-08:11:45 seconds inumber egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo eshayela nenumber egcina ngo-3517 bahlala ke ocingweni imizuzwana eyama-36 kusetshenziswa ke itower iMoy Street.
Ma'am, just on this page, can you explain the difference when the cell phone picks up a tower? For example, 2G Moy Street SGS1 and 2G Moy Street SGS3.
Not to be too technical, but that's different antennas on a tower or a different sector of a tower that's been picked up.
So ke manje kuma ukuthi inumber ke lena ithi isenzisa iMoy Street SGS1 kwesinye isikhathi ke sebenzise iMoy Street SGS3 kusho ukuthi enye ingxenye yale tower kodwa kuse tower yodwa.
Still on page 28, 13 November 2014 at 10:26.
At 10:26:00 seconds, a call was made from the number 8169 to the number ending 3517. It lasted 24 seconds and Moy Street was picked up as a tower.
So ke ngesikhathi ke ngosuku mhla 13 November isikhathi 10:26:00 second inumber egcina ngo8169 yashaya icingisela inumber egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke ocingweni imizuzwana eyama24 itower esetshenziswa ku Moy Street.
On page 29, 13 November 2014 at 20:35.
20:35:43 seconds, 8169 called the number 3517. It lasted 30 seconds and Hout Street was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 13 November 2014 isikhathi u20:35:43 inumber egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingishela inumber egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana ama30 base ke babesebenzisa i-tower to Hout Street.
On page 49, 4 December 2014, 7:36.
At 7:36:31 seconds, 8169 received a call from 3517, lasted 30 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Belgravia.
Umhla 4 December 2014 isikhathi kwa07:36:31 seconds inumber egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kunenumber egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana yama30 setshenziswa itower iBelgravia.
Page 52. 5 December 2014 at 18:40.
(10 seconds). There was an outgoing call from 8169 to 3517. It lasted 106 seconds. And the tower picked up there is Bekuzulu.
Jake ngomhla 5 December 2014 isikhathi kwa18:40 and 10 seconds inumber egcina ngo8169 yashaya icingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo3517 bahlala imizuzwana eyikhulu nemizuzwana eyisithupha lapho itower esetshenziswa kwakuBhekuzulu.
Still on page 52, 5 December 2014 at 18:44.
18:44, 16 seconds. 8169 made a call to 3517, lasting 56 seconds, and Pondwana HIBHB was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhla ka 5 December 1844 and 16 seconds number egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela the number eyi-3517 bahlala imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisihlanu nesithupha ithawa ke esetshenziswa kuyibondwana HBHB.
Still on page 52, 5 December 2014 at 1856.
1856, 16 seconds. An outgoing call was made by 8169, 23517. It lasted 36 seconds. And the tower picked up there was Pondwana again.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhla 15 December 2014 isikhathi ko 1856 and 16 seconds inumber egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo-3517 bahlala imizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu nesithupha ithawa kwakuseyona le yaGondwana.
On page 59, 11 December 2014, 9:11.
At 9:11:19 seconds, 8169 received a call from 3517, lasted 93 seconds, and Goud Street was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhla ka 11 December 2014 isikhathi ko 09:11:19 number egcina 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 3517 bahlala imizuzwana yamashumi ayisishiyagalolunye nantathu lapho okusetshenziswa khona eFort Street.
Page 69, 17 December 2014, 1837.
18:37:09 seconds, 8169 received a call from 3517, lasted 49 seconds, and Mavulazi was picked up as the tower.
Can I just see that?
VU.
Ngomhla ka 17 December 2014 isikhathi kwa 18:37:09 inumber egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-3517 bahlala imizuzwana yamashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye ithawa esenziwa othiwa uMavulazi.
Now, in terms of the radius of a tower, can you tell the court the coverage of each respective tower in terms of the distance?
I need to understand this correctly. You want me to explain the distances of the towers?
In a particular area, let's say spread view tower, in terms of the distance, how long does it cover?
Okay, so you want to know coverage areas of towers
Yes.
So in urban areas, it's anything from 2 to 500 meters up to 2 kilometers, because it's a built-up area. In rural areas, it can be anything from 15 to 25 kilometers.
Kuthiwa ke kufuna ukwazi ukuthi ibanga elizungeza ithawa amathawa la akwazi ukusebenza ukufikela ibanga elingakanani. Manje uthi ke endaweni ezisemadolobheni ngenzeka ukuthi ngenze ithawa iqale lapha ko 200 kuyofika 500 meters iyogcina ke lapha ko 2 kilometers lapho khona okunezindlu ezakhiwe. Kodwa kuma sikhuluma ngendawo esemaphandleni ithawa ke kuyenzeka ukuthi isebenze ibanga elingaba 15 kuyofika kwamashumi amabili nanhlanu amakilometer azungeza leyo tower.
On page 100, 13 January 2015.
Yes, time.
At 1852.
1852, 33 seconds. 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517, lasted 15 seconds, and Moy Street was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 13 January 2015, isikhathi ko 1852 and 33 seconds, number egcina ngo 8169 eshawucinga Chanel number egcina ngo 3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nanhlanu the tower.
Moy Street.
Tower ke esetshenziswa lapho ku Moy Street.
Thank you. So, I want to go back to the previous question that I posed regarding the coverage. Spread view tower, do you classify it as an urban area or a rural area in terms of the coverage?
If I look at one of the previous maps that we've had a look at, Spread View looks to be in a built-up area. So I would class rural areas as farming areas, not built-up areas.
Manje kubuza lapha ukuthi Spread View uyithatha tower esemaphandleni noma esendaweni esemadolobheni. Wathi cha uma sibheke lapha sibheka ama map ale ndawo le yase Spread View kuyabonakala ukuthi i-Spread View sendaweni enezindlu eziningi okusho ukuthi ke ithathwa njengendawo ke esemadolobheni. Kodwa ke masikhuluma nge-tower esendaweni esemaphandleni kusho ukuthi sisho indawo enama-farm.
Okay. Now, on this information, on this set of data, are you able to tell this court if at any stage this particular device was able to pick up a tower at Spread View at any stage?
Yes, I have picked up Spread View.
La mbuzo uthi uyawazi yini ukuthi ubuke la kule lohlalo loluphethe ubone ukuthi kwaba khona yini isikhathi la enye yalamafoni yakwazi ukuxhumana nele tower yase Spread View athi yeah.
Can I direct you to just highlight 24 November 2014?
Page
It's on page 39.
39. Page 39. Yes.
Can you confirm that?
Just repeat yourself, please.
I'm saying, can you confirm that it did pick up a tower at Spread View, SGS2?
Yes. I did pick it up on the 24th of November, 1903-57, when MTC was received, and it shows 2G Spread View SGS.
So mhla 24 inyangeni ka November 2014 isikhathi 0357 le number lena u8169 yabona ukuthi yathola ucingo ikuthi ngaleso sikhathi isebenzisa ke le tower yase Spruit View u2G Spruit View SGS.
And then on the 28th of November 2014, on page 42, just place those towers on record as well.
The first time was at 13:08:03, Spruit View.
So ngalolanga isikhathi kwa 13:08:03 tower ku Spruit View.
Thereafter, 13:34:46, Spruit View.
So emva kwaloko isikhathi ka 13:34:46 second kwa ku Spruit View.
And then 13:35:36 seconds, Spruit View.
Futhi ke ngesikhathi ka 13:35:36 kwa kuseyona Spruit View.
And then thereafter,
at on the 28th, 13:53:09 seconds, it was Bopang Khotso.
So ke ngomhla 28 isikhathi kwa 15:53:09 seconds ithoya esetshenziswa kokuba uBangkhotso.
and then lastly,
And
it's 1403.
14:03:49 seconds, it then reflects Phosphorus Square.
Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sa 14:03:49 ikhombisa lapha iqhumene nethoya ese Phosphorus Square.
Now, the towers that you just placed on record, is it the same towers that the phone started with the deceased on the 26th of October? It was picking up between 1900 and 2000.
Yes, that's correct.
So manje lamathoya ke lo obukhuluma ngo
Mr. Sibande was speaking too low. I did not follow what he was saying.
I am saying these towers that the witness has placed on record on this day, 28 November 2014, are the same towers that the phone of the deceased on the 26th of October 2014 was picking up.
umbuzo lapha ukuthi lamathoya osona ukukhuluma ngawo lana iwona yini lamathoya ifoni kaMufi eyayiqhumana nawo ngomhla ka 26 October 2015 ngesikhathi esiqala ngo 19 hours uyofika 20 hours ushuthi 7 ntambama uyofika ngo 8 ntambama wathi yebo.
Yeah, but you must mention the number of the deceased. For
Number
record
ending with
purposes.
551. I can just go back to that set of data, exhibit JJ1. Just assist the witness. The number of the deceased. The number of the deceased on the first page of your addendum of JJ1.
Yes.
Can you please the number of the deceased on record?
071 437 9551.
as well as the page numbers and the case ID. The page number where we can find this information of the deceased on that addendum.
It's not marked as a page number, but it is the first page of the manual statement.
Ke inamba kamufi ekhulunywa ngalapha u-071-437-9551.
If you look at the first page of addendum, where it's written the number of the deceased underneath this page number 13-4649.
Yes, my apology. That's on the set of data, page 13 of 4,649 with the case ID 550713.
So case number lapha evelayo 550713.
Thank you, my lord. On that note, I will request the court to adjourn for lunch. We'll proceed at 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
Hello?
Can we proceed after 2? It's 1300 at this stage.
Yeah,
Can we adjourn for lunch?
okay. Thanks. Ciao.